In today's video, I'll take you on a tour of 3 more home rentals here on Koh Phangan Island in Thailand. I'll show you a rental with an amazing view overlooking the sea and 2 great value homes nestled in the jungle. The facilities at Utopia Resort are really nice. It's in the north part of the island. They've got an amazing swimming pool. It's got a beautiful view over the sea. We'll take a walk over here to the bungalow I'm thinking about renting. You can see the view of it here. Great view. It's low tide right now. Those rocks in the bay are not there during high tide. Here's the master living room and the view from the deck. This would be a great place to have coffee in the morning. There's a flat screen TV here, and cable is included. They do have a cable package. There's a small refrigerator and a desk set up, which I do need a desk for work. It's a large king-size bed. One thing nice about staying at a resort is you do have maid service and linens changed regularly, so that's kind of a plus. Again, let's take one more look at this deck. It's a nice little couch in the corner. Let's go downstairs. Here's a bathroom sink with a large mirror, blow dryer, and another amazing view. And there's a nice wardrobe for clothing storage. I like the setup here, plenty of space. Western style toilet. This bathtub is outdoors. It's big enough for 2 people, and the outdoor view is pretty unique. They have an outdoor shower also on the other deck. Again, we'll walk past the swimming pool. There's a restaurant here on the premises and a bar. So if you want to, you could just hang around your place here. This would be a nice place to work outside also. Here's the path down to the beach. It took us 5 minutes to walk down the steep trail and about 10 minutes to walk back up, but the beach is beautiful. I would love to swim here. I've actually been paddleboarding around this area. My favorite snorkeling beach is very close by. One disadvantage of the resort being up on the mountain is it really is not walking distance to very many places. You would need a motorbike or transportation. 360 bar is within walking distance up a short path, and it has incredible views. It's also a good place to get something to eat, and the sunset there is amazing. I found this place on Airbnb, and it was listed for $574 US for the month. And I put in for 2 months, and it was going to let me book it at that price for 2 months. I showed up at the resort and asked them what it would cost for a long-term rental if I wanted to rent it for 6 months or a year, and they told me $892 US per month. That shows you it pays off to look around a little bit. Sometimes you can book online cheaper, sometimes it's a lot cheaper to show up in person. So it's always different every single place. So if you're looking for a rental like this one, I would budget about $900 or $1,000 per month if you actually want to stay at a resort like Utopia. And that would be for a year. If you're only coming during the high season, it may be more than that. And then if you would like to rent one outside of a resort, you can probably get one like this or similar for around $650 US per month. And then maybe in high season, that might be more like $800. And of course, you wouldn't have the resort facility. But many of these resorts will actually let you come use their swimming pool if you buy food at their restaurant or buy drinks. Here's another bungalow that's been recently built. 18,000 baht per month will get you this place. I love the fact that it's on concrete pillars above the ground. You're not going to have any water problem. You're not going to have as many bugs or other creatures trying to get into your house. A nice big deck with a table outside is nice. And a sitting area outside is another nice feature. The kitchen has a window right above the sink. Good to help the hot temperatures escape when cooking. There's a big refrigerator. I love these high ceilings. I don't know if you can tell on camera, but these ceilings are about 12 feet high, very high. There's 2 desks in here. So working space, a little couch. It's a little dark right now in our video because the sun's about to go down, so it's probably a lot brighter most of the day. Bathroom has sliding glass doors, brand new Western style toilet, very large mirror here. Hot water on demand with 2 shower heads. There's a king size bed, and this is a pillow top mattress, very comfortable. A new air conditioner unit. Everything here is pretty new. Also has a flat screen TV set with a cable package included. Little wardrobe to hang your clothes there. And high-speed internet is included also. We were quoted 18,000 baht for this unit. Charge a little more during high season. It is low season right now. Often it's about 4,000 baht difference between high and low season. If you know of a great place to stay on the island of Koh Phangan, let us know in the comments below. And please subscribe and give us a like to help support our channel so that we can keep bringing you videos like this. This bungalow is also located in the center of the island, surrounded by jungle, not far from Pang Waterfall. I love all the foliage around the bungalows. It's very picturesque and you can hear a lot of nice bird sounds, jungle sounds. I love the deck here. It's large. It's a nice place to enjoy the surrounding scenery. A nice sitting area. It'd be great to move a table out here to work on or to eat. Here's a nice sized bed. I like that it has an end table also. There's great cross ventilation. These 2 windows on each side of the bed allow a lot of air to pass by, so you could get by without air conditioning a lot of the year. There's a nice big wardrobe. Storage is not always convenient in many of these bungalows, so it's nice to see such a spacious room with plenty of storage. A brand new air conditioner, that's very nice. Actually, this whole place has recently been built, so it's in really great shape. I love this little kitchen table. It's right next to the big window where you can enjoy the bird sounds and feel the air coming through. Another open window right by the kitchen, so another place where there's a lot of cross air blowing through this little bungalow. The kitchen is a good size. It has a microwave, a large refrigerator, and just a good place to do some cooking. More storage area. I love the fact that there's hanging storage there to put your glassware. If you do get bugs coming in, it's nice to have something up high like that that's away from any critters that might come in through that open window. A big bathroom. Western style toilet. Nice mirror. And the shower area with hot water on demand. And a good ventilated window above. They offer a lot of different services. You can rent a bike here. They do laundry here. This place is located on the center of the island, so you can easily get to the south or up north, either one. Low season, 9,000 baht, and high season, 13,000 baht. That's a really good deal for this. It's a very nice place and a good value. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and click the bell so you'll be notified when the next video is up. We'll be bringing you more home tours, cost of living guides, and interviews. Please take the time to leave a comment below, letting us know what you like or what you'd like to see more of. Giving us a like and leaving a comment helps us to keep bringing you free videos like this.